Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Bhumi official trailer.
Yes. So we have Jairam Ravi, Nidhi Agarwal, D. Iman, Lakshman, and this movie is going to be released on Pongal, January 14, 2021.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think this movie is going to release on Hotstar.
Hotstar. This movie is going to release on Hotstar, and already we have given the reaction on the teaser.
Yes, and if you haven't watched our reaction on the teaser, you can go and search our channel.
Yes, definitely. So yeah, let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
ஒரு விதை போதும் என்னால் ஒரு புது உலகத்தை உருவாக்க முடியும்.
மண் எனக்கு அடிமை, அரசாங்கமும் எனக்கு அடிமைடா.
விஞ்ஞானி பூமிநாதன் தான் இதுக்கு முழுக்க முழுக்க காரணம். எழுதிக்கிங்க.
தோர, நீ இந்த உலகத்தை எத்தனை ஆயிரம் அடி உயரத்துலேருந்து பார்த்துருப்ப? 7 லட்சம் கிலோமீட்டர் உயரத்துலேருந்து இந்த உலகத்தை பார்த்தவன்னா நமக்கு இந்த உயரத்தை பார்த்தலாம் பயம் இல்லை. நான் தனியாக இருக்கும் போதே நீ என்னை தடுக்க முடியல. இப்போ என் மக்களும் என் கூட இருக்காங்க. எங்களை மீறி எப்படி தடுக்க போறேன்னு நான் பார்க்குறேன்.
பொங்கல் முதல் அதிரப்போகுது பூமி. டிஸ்னி பிளஸ் ஹாட்ஸ்டார் விஐபியில்.
Disney Hotstar में ये मूवी रिलीज होने वाली है. Wow man, this is
like
too good. I really like the BGM
And
behind.
Jairam was looking too much powerful.
Too much powerful, and he is very handsome. We all know that his height, his physique, everything is very much suitable. I think the storyline
first
is
time
like
we have seen that teaser only.
Teaser,
teaser we have seen and it was superb. And
superb. It was superb.
And this also trailer also it's up to expectation.
It is up to the expectation, and also we have understood a lot more thing because in the teaser we were not that much. It was not that much understandable. We are not sure that much, but now
here I think 80 to 90% we can
the context
guess the
is
story.
clear. Yes, the storyline is like there have like one land is there. That's what the Bhumi name came from, and I think that Ronit Roy is the villain, and he wants to set up one business over the land. Okay, but Jairam is the representative of the whole villagers.
He's a good scientist first, so he has studied or did some research and all outside India, and when he returned he faces a lot of the things like all the farmers are in danger, so their land some businessmen need to acquire that land. So I think he will fight for those farmers.
Correct. He will be fighting for those farmers, and he is against that a businessman. Ronit Roy is playing that businessman role.
That's true.
And the storyline is not that unique. It is a common storyline only. We have seen this kind of storyline that one representative will come and he is fighting against the villagers injustice and all of the black truth, black things. Okay, hidden.
Here it will matter the way it is getting executed.
The picturization is bomb. The whole execution of all of the scenes are truly amazing. I really love the BGM, the background music. Superb.
It will have a good kind of a score also.
Yes, very true. And also it was showing that the villagers are playing, the villagers are dancing. So it is a full on cultural mood also.
They have
very
unity within the villages.
And also in the movie, I think director has focused on the to raise up the culture of the gaon, of the village. Okay, they have shown that, and I really love ke wo jo gaon ki ladkiyan sab माथे में लेके जा रही है and he was seeing through the car window the culture. I really love that. Okay, these are truly portrayed in a very nice way. Okay, so after so many times I think this kind of good picturization I have seen.
I think this kind of movie I've seen long ago, but yes, this will refresh our mind once again. It will make us more, it will give us a feeling of more attachment with the villages.
With the villages, yes, very true.
Yeah.
And really love like all of the scenes, all of the camera angles were like done superbly. When he was like placing his feet on the bhumi, on the soil. That execution is the direction is really marvelous, because all of the soils are flowing. In the camera only it was showing like beautifully. So just imagine how it will show in the big picture. But we are unfortunate that can't be happen.
Start whistling and all, but we have to watch
CT Mar performance.
I will whistle it when I will watch this movie.
Watch this movie.
And also I think there will be a lot of action
also. Will be there.
Yes, of course.
There will be action, because Jairam was looking so much in aggression, and some of the scenes were like there that he will be fighting against the goons and all, and the businessman will be definitely having goons. Fighting will be definitely there.
He's a good businessman. He will having great political reach as well. He's having great money also. So I think in that he will always try to take a revenge from the Jairam.
Yes, and what I'm thinking is also in this movie there will be a lot of twists and turns also will be there. Okay, के मतलब इतना सीधा मूवी नहीं होने वाली है. मतलब कुछ तो twist and turns I think it should be there. Right? It was showing like that. So really enjoyed it. It is truly amazing. All of the thing, like whole package we saw is brilliant. Okay,
everything, music wise, cinematography, story wise, not unique, but
not
yes,
unique,
it's
but
good. And direction wise it was super.
It is having its own flavor, always the storyline cannot be unique all the time. Okay, because storyline needs this kind of categories, like all of the social issues and all of the like जो भी problems चलती है समाज में, वो सबको लेके ही story बनानी पड़ेगी. तो we cannot expect that always the storyline will be.
We have seen that they generally comes up with a lot of the social issues.
This is very good.
Come with a lot of humor kind of content, but yes, social issues is very much important.
Actually, they are portraying the social issues. They are portraying the naked truth of the society, which is bad. Definitely, they are portraying the bad political activities, and that is why I love South Indian movies a lot, because they always like come up with so good turns, twists and whatnot. So this movie is also having that rich businessman is acquiring the land, and so
that
many villagers are getting homeless, helpless, and this is the naked truth of the society. We have seen also in our real life also, we have seen so many times, like अगर आप कोई गांव में चले जाओ, आप देख सकते हो कितने लोग ऐसे बेघर बैठे हुए हैं. We have seen this is the real मतलब naked truth of the society.
Exactly. If you are staying in city, after 10 years you visit a village, you will see a lot of the changes. They have set up industries.
Nobody will think about the villagers. Nobody will think about the villagers. Also, sometimes what happen, villagers will be given this kind of promise that yes, I will be setting up on like a meal or something. You will be getting industry, will be getting job, but they will not get.
You will not.
So this is the. I think that also will be shown in this movie. I'm not sure, and that's why I'm telling that so much turns and twists will be there.
They will offer, but they will not be ready to give their lands.
This is actually how can a person will be ready, right? So yeah, it is amazing, man. 10 on 10 from our side.
From my side, it will be 9 because just story wise, it's not a unique content.
Okay.
Rest of the things was super.
Superb. So I am giving a 10 out of 10 because I really love all of the things. Okay, I really love Jairam ka pura get-up. I really love all of the village cultures which it was showing. I really love the BGM. I really love the picturization. That is why from
those
my side, 10 on 10.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, that is it for today's video. We are eagerly waiting to get the movie released, and as soon as we see this movie, movie, definitely I'll be will be giving the review on the movie,
Yes.
complete movie. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Now there's the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Mohammad Basir and he is commenting, मैडम मुझे वीडियो देखने से ज़्यादा हंसी आती है आपका एक्सप्रेशन देख के.
I think
क्या
that's
करे?
true. I also love that expression.
मेरा एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा है, मुझे पता है कि बहुत
The
फनी
way
लगता है.
she laughs, that is too much loud, and you will also laugh.
बाप रे, अभी कैमरा में उतना कैप्चर नहीं होता बट रियल लाइफ में मैं बहुत ज्यादा ही हंसती हूँ आवाज करके. और
If
ये
she-
कब
if
तुम
she
झूठ
laughs
मत बोलो,
also-
कभी कभी तुम इरिटेट हो जाते हो.
If she
इतना
laughs
हंसते-
also, I think her voice will reach after crossing 2-3 houses also.
No, not like that. Okay. So I'm very much feeling happy whenever people will say, मतलब बोलते हैं कि आपका हंसी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. मैं जानती हूँ उतना अच्छा नहीं है मेरा हंसी, फिर भी अगर लोग बोलते हैं मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा चलो इन लोगों को तो पसंद आ गया एटलीस्ट. तो थैंक यू सो मच बशीर कि आपको पसंद आया एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमेंट एंड फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियोस.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Vishal Thabre and he is writing his comment on Sole reaction and he is saying thank you guys, best reaction ever. तो कैसा लगा Sole and Q&A 50K के बाद करना, उसके बजाय लाइव आओ कभी. So thanks a lot
Live
that
आएंगे.
you liked our reaction and seriously we love that Sole.
We love शोले.
I think
हमें
how we
पता नहीं
missed
था कि
that
शोले,
video,
हाँ
yes.
शोले ऐसे होने वाला था. शोले का स्टोरी लाइन ही ऐसा बनेगा हमें पता ही नहीं था. We didn't expect that. It is beyond our expectation level and we really enjoyed it. It is amazing man. इससे अच्छा और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
Right. And
Correct.
And about your next question, कभी live आओ. So we are
Live
planning
आएंगे.
soon, but we can't disclose right now. We are planning soon. We'll update it. In our
एंड
community
हाँ वो
section.
ये भी बोले हैं कि Q&A 50K के बाद करना. एक्चुअली वी प्रोमिस्ड ओके के 30K के बाद Q&A करेंगे. 50K के बाद फिर से Q&A कर देंगे. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चन कवर नहीं होंगे. ऑलरेडी वी हैव रिसीव्ड इनफ क्वेश्चंस सो वी आर थिंकिंग ओके विल बी लाइक आंसरिंग ऑल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस
Mostly we
व्हिच
are
वी
going
हैव
to
गॉटन
make a
ऑलरेडी.
video of 30 minutes or
30
50
minutes
or
or
1 hour.
1
you
hour.
can say.
हाँ. So yes, definitely will be coming on live very soon. Very soon. Okay. So बहुत सारे मजे होने वाले हैं, बहुत बातें होने वाले हैं, मतलब धमाका होगा. ठीक है. So thank you so much Vishal for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Sanjay Pal and he is commenting on Finding Diamond reaction from Round to Hell and he is commenting ma'am please Chauhan Wines पर reaction दीजिए please.
Okay.
Chauhan Wines हाँ.
So I haven't
ये
seen.
भी कोई कॉमेडी कंटेंट क्रिएटर है आई
Maybe
थिंक
I haven't
राइट.
seen. I haven't seen. Yes.
सो आई थिंक आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस नेम चौहान वाइन्स. बहुत लोग करते भी हैं शायद रिएक्शन. सो येस डेफिनेटली विल बी डूइंग. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमेंट संजय एंड फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो. सो दीज आर द 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who ever commented, who are subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not already, please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.